Hello, everyone. Welcome to Move 2025, and thank you for joining me today. My name is Jyotish Bora, and I am a platform architect at DataGOL.ai. Today, I'm excited to share one of our customers' success story about how we help transform their complex data landscape into actionable business outcome using our platform, which leverages Airbyte under the hood. Before I dive into the story, let me briefly introduce DataGo. We are a self-service AI-powered business agility platform that brings data, AI, and business intelligence under one roof. Our ultimate goal is to drive business value from your data assets. As you can see, our platform has three integrated layers. First layer is data ingestion and orchestration, where we ingest customer data into our warehouse. Secondly, cataloging, metadata management, data classification, and enrichment, uh, which give business context to our customers' data and make them business ready. And finally, our self-serving AI augmented analytics and dashboarding layer for BI. So, what are the challenges of our customer? Like many organizations today, our customer was part of a vast majority of businesses whose data is not AI ready. And the challenges they were facing might sound too familiar to many of us here. They had accumulated 10 plus years worth of critical business data spread across multiple systems like NetSuite, Salesforce, HubSpot, their internal databases, and various third party vendors. So their data environment had become such a complex mess of disconnected systems that they were struggling to extract any meaningful insights out of them. Secondly, their siloed data architecture was driving high operational costs as teams were spending countless hours manually reconciling information across these systems. Uh, on the top of that, they had persistent data quality issues, which meant they could not really trust the data for any meaningful decision making. Uh, Making data AI ready is challenging, costly, and requires discipline across the organization. So, unsurprisingly, any previous attempts of implementing AI solutions by our customer failed to deliver any meaningful SLA because it lacked these fundamental data foundations. So, how we approached the problem uh, as we uh, as we started our transformation journey, we realized that we needed to take a bottom-up approach to solving these interconnected challenges, starting with data ingestion. But we did not want to solve the problem of data connectivity, and that's when we started exploring Airbyte's open source platform for data ingestion, which came in as a perfect solution for us. Airbyte has a rich ecosystem of over 500 plus pre-built connectors, which gave us immediate access to most of the customers' data sources. However, we discovered that they were using some uh, legacy systems and systems with custom APIs without any pre-existing connectors. But we were able to apply our Gen AI capabilities to rapidly develop custom connectors for these one-off systems in a day or two, and very rapidly. A big shout out to the Airby team for creating such an extensible framework that allowed us to leverage AI to supercharge our connector development cycle. Once we uh, Once we solved the problem of point-to-point data integration, we were able to build a sophisticated data pipeline orchestration module that gave our customer the ability to ingest raw data from all their sources in a flexible manner. It also gave our customer a comprehensive observability into their data flows. For the first time, they could see the health and status of all their data pipelines in real time and monitor their performance and maintain a precise awareness of data freshness in one single platform. Effectively able to collect all their data was the first step. Soon we discovered significant data quality challenges across all their data sources. They had widely inconsistent schemas, naming conventions, and meanings across these data sources. And since The data were maintained independently by different departments. Field definitions were changing independently over time. Thankfully, DataGOL's auto schema discovery capabilities gave us an immediate visual understanding of their entire data ecosystem. Our platform was able to detect data types, define missing relationships, and potential relationship keys, creating a comprehensive map of their fragmented data. However, raw data without proper business context was of limited usefulness for AI's capability to deliver business values and support effective governance. So we needed to thoroughly catalog and enrich our data set by adding business context, appropriate classification, and enhanced metadata using our AI-powered data cataloging engine, which made the data set much more cohesive and meaningful resources for AI to deliver business values. To mitigate these fragile data relationships, our advanced schema change detection capabilities was a game changer for their data reliability. The system automatically identified structural changes in the source system before they could impact downstream business processes. So at this point, we streamlined data management by implementing template based pipelines that automatically ingested and identified relationship between datasets and enhanced them for creating data models for the BI layer. So through this infrastructure setup and by establishing bronze, silver, and gold data quality tiers, we were able to develop business ready models that served multiple use cases. Once these curated data models are available for the business layer, their users could use our self-serving advanced BI layers to instantly create workbooks and dashboards for themselves. So, what was the business impact? Within just a month of implementing DataGOL, the results they were seeing was phenomenal. Their data engineering team significantly reduced pipeline development time, freeing them to focus on higher value activities instead of wrestling with data ingestion and quality issues. For the first time, their business analysts gain access to trusted, up to date data from across the organization, enabling them to create powerful dashboards, AI powered, reliable data analytics, showing true cross functional insights. Their operational teams could make decisions with confidence, with a reduction in data related disputes and escalations. Data goals, built in data lineage capability provided transparency about how data flowed from source system all the way to the business layer. And most importantly, executives could finally make strategic decisions based on a complete view of their business, which led to a significant increase in operational efficiency and a substantial cost saving in infrastructure and overhead. I would also like to mention that we expanded our data warehousing capabilities to natively support data versioning and historical analysis across their business domain. Uh, that enable their finance department to view point in time data snapshots and historical um analysis, which was valuable for their auditing and compliance purposes. So, our customer journey showed us what's possible when an organization takes a holistic approach to their data challenges. We were able to deliver a complete solution that produced tangible business outcomes, not just technical achievements. One of the biggest lessons learned in the process was they were able to recognize that data um, readiness for AI is not a one-time achievement, but it's an ongoing process. Our tools supported an iterative approach, and we empowered our customer to continuously refine and enhance their data using our platform to meet their evolving requirement and future use cases. Thank you for your time and good luck on your AI journey.